we think about powerful motorcycles, we don't see comfort as a priority. But what about a bike that has power and provides maximum comfort? Well, the way I see it, that's the basic requirement of every daily Indian commuter, and for that, the Avenger just fits in perfectly. So today we have the Avenger 160 Street BS6 model. So pull up your socks because we are going to take this baby for a ride. Let's see what the BS6 avatar of the 160 Street has to offer. We will talk about this bike in detail. So without any further ado, let's get a quick overview from the front. Well, at the front you get a proper cruiser styled headlamp unit which really gives a better look. But I wish Bajaj had given a complete LED headlamp unit instead of just the LED DRLs. Also, this fly screen here enhances this whole front setup. Well, the overall design of the bike is quite appealing. And this bike is like the lighter version of the Harley Street 750. The fit and finish of this bike is very neat with the inclusion of some extra elements like that aluminium cover for the catalytic converter. You get the classic cruiser style indicators and a decent tail lamp. With just slight changes, the bike gets a refreshed look. Now if we talk about this 160cc 4-stroke single-cylinder air-cooled BS6 engine, well, this engine is now fuel injected, which means there would be lesser emissions and more efficiency. And if we talk about the power and torque figures, well, this engine now generates a max power of 15 PS at 8500 RPM and a peak torque of 13.7 Newton meters at 7000 RPM, which I think for a 160cc engine is decent enough. You get a 5-speed transmission gearbox, and even though with the lower displacement, the Avenger 160 has nearly the same power and torque figures of the discontinued Avenger 180. The 160 Street weighs at about 156 kgs, it's light and easy to handle. The throttle response is now fairly improved after the BS6 update. It's responsive right from the moment you pull it. Well, the tires on this machine are having a better road grip, especially that 15-inch 130 section rear tire. It really helps while cornering. Also, if you look at the suspension setup, at the front you get the telescopic forks with anti-friction bush, and at the rear you get twin shock absorbers. Well, this suspension is tuned in a way that it gives maximum comfort. It's neither too stiff nor too soft. You can tackle the potholes easily with this setup without compromising with the comfort. If we talk about the riding posture of this bike, well, this bike is having a low slung sitting posture. It's having a laid back sort of position with forward set foot pegs, which gives you a proper cruiser style riding experience. Also, the gear shifts are much convenient during the traffic conditions. And if I talk about this seat, well, this is a dual density foam seat and it is designed to provide you ultimate comfort. Like, you can really ride this bike all day long without feeling tired. Now if we talk about the brakes, we get a bigger 280mm disc at the front and a 130mm drum at the rear. And safety wise, you get a single channel ABS. Well, the braking performance is impressive and the initial bite felt solid. If we take a look at the instrument cluster, well, you get an analog speedometer along with a digital odometer, and if you look at the tank, you get an analog fuel indicator. The one thing which I really loved about the Avenger 160 is the clutch feel. Well, the clutch on this bike is really light and you will get a fatigue-free riding experience. The claimed mileage for the Avenger 160 Street BS6 model is around 45 kmpl, and with the fuel-injected engine, you can expect some good mileage figures, but as I always say, that totally depends on your riding style and time-to-time maintenance of the bike. And with that being said, if we talk about the maintenance, well, you don't have to worry much because the maintenance of any Bajaj product is on the economic side. Now, the price that you have to pay for this cruiser is around 95,000 rupees ex-showroom. which I think is a fair deal. Now if you guys ask me for some final words about the Avenger 160 Street BS6, well, this brings me back to the very start of this video where I was talking about power along with comfort. I'll keep it straight and simple. If that's the problem, this is the solution. If you are looking for a bike in this segment, then the Avenger surely fits in. And the 160 Street is without a doubt a proper cruiser on which you can go all day long. So this sums up my review for the Avenger 160 Street BS6. A special thanks to Khandelwal Bajaj for allowing me to review this bike for you guys. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like, and if you are new here, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe.